बहुत खुशी हुई आप जैसे बहुमुखी प्रतिभा के धनी पुरुष से मिलकर। म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में कोई अप्रोच है आपकी?
ओह माय गॉड, कितनी फुटेज खाता है ये आदमी।
अब तो गेस भी नहीं कर सकती कि मैं आपके लिए क्या लेकर आया।
क्या?
गेस कीजिए।
They say that there's a lot of tragedy in actors who can perform comedy. That's where it sort of finds its germ from. Would you agree with that? Is that where?
क्या कहा था मैंने?
Or
What did I say? Yeah. What were you asking again, Sohail? Is there a tragedy in my life that I'm generating all that?
are you laughing at my question?
No.
Oh
Would be.
my God! So you deal with this with that? Okay.
Very nice. And she's straight faced. That's the wonderful part of it.
That's good timing.
That's what we call timing. Fantastic. Wait.
Am I missing the point?
No, you're not. Oh, no, you're not.
This can go on.
They
and
might,
on.
but you're not.
I miss it. I mean, like I'm not
I'll
getting.
tell you one thing.
I'll tell you one thing.
I came to Bheja Fry 2 in the month of August, and I went barely. I was in Bintan with them for 5 days of my life.
It was only 5 days?
That's it.
Damn.
And in those 5 days, I laughed my head off. I've never laughed so much.
So how do you? Because Bharat Bhushan has to take himself very seriously, even though everyone else is laughing and you're making the audience laugh.
No,
But
it
he has
wasn't.
to take
See,
himself
that's the
very
thing. It wasn't just me. I don't think that anybody within the story was cracking up.
No.
It's like everybody is, you know, the whole storytelling and the style is very serious. You know,
Yeah,
everybody
okay,
means
yeah.
business. His character, you know, however ridiculous it might sound, Bharat Bhushan's character, however ridiculous he might do, but they're very serious people. They really mean what they're saying. You know, if you say that an actor has to cry and bring tears or whatever, and whatever the actor does to prepare that, you know, it's the honesty that would connect to, you know, to the moment. Yes, but then there were moments
No, but
where
this is the situation. The situation where you are playing it honestly to the character, and you're just waiting for that director Sagar to say cut so that
You
just
can
kind
laugh.
of just fall laughing.
So what cracks you up? Like apart from just each other?
No, it's the spell. It's a spell that is created. Either it's created, or try as you may, it doesn't happen. Somehow it just happened.
So what would you think of like, let's say comedies like slapstick comedies like Ready or Houseful? Do you find those things funny? Do you buy into that humor that the masses are buying into?
You know, there are some, whether it is massy or whether it's classy, there are some timings which are the grammar of comedy. So that's the given. So anybody might do it. I mean, Kader Khan had that timing, and you would say, "Ki why so much burlesque?" You know, but फिर भी चलेगा. And I like native humor. Me and my son, we laugh our heads off while watching No Entry and Golmaal 3, and even Ready, for that matter. We just saw it and we laughed. So what is it that makes me laugh? I know that, hey, listen, this might be a sexist thing. This might be.
But it's funny. So what do you do? What do you do?
Because that you can't hold back.
You laugh
That's
now.
an
If it's
instinct.
inappropriate, too bad.
It's an instinct.
Okay, now before they laugh at me anymore, we're going to go for a short break. But come right back and I'm going to find out why they were laughing at me.